I have no idea what's up here. This is different. I've never been up here. I've been coming here for 10 years, have never been up here. Up here, right by Denny's, those escalators right there come up here, and this is where all this is at. So I have no idea where I'm at, but let's go find out. Did you guys even know this existed? Should we go left or should we go right? Go this way. So this is what all that's for. Cats meow, I guess. We got the view from the other way. When you came up the escalators, you walk, and then I went to the right. This is super weird. Again, I've never been up here. I don't even know what you call this area, but we're up here by Cat's Meow. If you know, you know. There's more escalators? Where the hell does those go? Oh, they go right here. This is definitely a more quiet area. I came in here during the day once because I went right there. See that sports card shop right there? I went in there once. Does not feel like Las Vegas, or even Fremont for that matter. Just feels like you're in some old-time 90s pavilion outdoor mall, especially with all these designs and everything. Really feels weird. Oh yeah, then I went in there, the Toy Shack. I got a sticker. I don't know where I stuck it. Don't tell me in the comments where I can stick it. Should we go up there? Let's go up here. Making our way upstairs. We are not eating at that Mexican restaurant, but I'm just gonna see what it's like up here. There's 3 levels to this mall area. All right, when I get home, I gotta figure out what the hell this area is called. What do we got over here? Holy crap, there's even a parking garage? Okay, yeah, I really need to research this. I guess this is all the events that take place here. I don't know, we're gonna keep walking because I have no idea where I'm at. How do you even park in that parking garage? Oh, okay, this is cool. Check this out. Everybody looks so tiny. Oh, Dirt Dog. It's supposed to have really good hot dogs. Pretty much anything you can think of, they have them there. If you keep going up there, that's how you do the zip line. This is really cool. I'm like the only person up here. Does anybody even know this exists? Anybody? Because I didn't. Again, I've been coming here for 10 years. I got the microphone right in my mouth because of all the music. I don't want this video to be copyrighted. We're gonna keep checking it out. I'm having fun. It's nice out. It is nighttime. It's almost 8 o'clock. Let's continue this walk through. Well, no, not really. I don't know. Let's continue this epic journey I'm on right now because I have no idea where the hell I'm at. SOS. Let's walk this way. And then, so we came up there. We went in this way, through there, through there. So if we continue to walk this way, let's walk this way. This artwork's pretty cool. Look at this. Yeah, like I said, this is pretty neat up here. So if you never knew this existed, watch this video so you can figure out how to get up here. What's Crave? Anybody know? Hammered Harry's. That's great. Okay, so if you just keep walking this way, it just takes you to an elevator. So that's where it is. Elevators over here. What's it look like from this angle or this viewpoint? Well, that's where, oh, axe throwing. Oh, cool. Drink beer and axe throw. Yeah, okay, that's not a good combo. That's all we need to get drunk and hit someone. This is like the randomest thing I've ever seen in Vegas. I can't believe I'm up here. Pretty much like the only one up here. There's hardly anybody up here. Why did I say that 3 times? Let's take the stairs. I need my workout. I haven't worked out for like 3 days. Let's keep going this way because I didn't finish. We kind of half-assed it. And I just dropped down the level. I was literally like right up there for the drink beer axe throw place and now it's right there. So I just hopped on down one more floor. Would you guys do that? Drink beer and then throw an axe? But I mean, obviously you can't do it at the same time because that would probably be illegal and insane. That's not a good thing. You could do it at your house, in your backyard. Don't do it at these places, even though they advertise it. So that's kind of like a tip for Las Vegas. I apologize if I sound like so close to the microphone, but I'm on Fremont Street, so I don't even know if you guys can hear me if I had the microphone anywhere else but right at my mouth. Whoever did all this artwork up here, it's pretty good stuff. Is this like a bowling alley? Oh yeah, we're almost done. See, there's Denny's. So I gotta figure out what this area is called. I gotta do my research. Like this could be a video in itself, just this area, because I have no idea where the hell I am. And the 3rd time, now I am right here. So I just kept hopping down. Like a wacky inflatable buddy, whatever the hell those things are called. I don't know where that goes. What is this place? That doesn't give me a lot right there. All it says is entrance. But oh, is this Dick's Last Resort? They have one down here? Yeah, it is. Dick's Last Resort. I wonder why there were signs. Or kinda. It says Hammered Harry, so that's what it is. But it's the same concept? Or it's the same thing? Like a different variation of it? Hammered Harry's. If you didn't know, now you know it exists. That goes back out to Fremont Street. There's a toy shack. Kind of looks like the Toy Story logo. There's Denny's. So we came from that way. Duh. This thing's really cool. I had no clue you could race go-karts down here. I don't even know where you go for that. I saw a sign somewhere else, but it's probably after hours for that. 2, maybe. There's the card shop. I went in there. Fun fact. Well, another funny story. I was actually at a trading card show earlier today. Escalators. Those are the ones we came down from being on the 3rd level, 2nd level. Okay, this has been like an unknown walkthrough that I was not planning on, so let's call it that. Hit that sub button and let me know where else you want me to go and get lost, because I don't even know. When I was up there, I had no clue where the hell I was. Well, thanks for watching. Let me know in the comments if you want to see more videos like this where I get stranded.